If you could see me now, got a really big grin on my face, the sun's shining, and I'm allowed to go out and play on the Pan European 1100. So I wanted to take this opportunity, because I've never rode one of these before, to kind of give you my opinion on the bike and my thoughts about it. Although it's probably not going to be very professional. Pre-warned. Alright, you're in the sunlight, but yeah, battery's back. Well, I'm seeing the battery's back. I'll check the battery. What do you think of the bike, man? Well, you can do the intro. Do the intro for YouTube, because I'm doing this thing. What's the intro? Well, just think of like successful people like Itchy Boots or on a bike or something like that, and just go.
Because you're not putting me on the spot or anything here.
No, yeah, no. Get that thing out your mouth and just say like, you know, hi YouTubers. I know what it was Itchy Boots say. Good morning, YouTube. No.
Good morning, YouTube.
No, you don't have to sound like you're from the Netherlands. Just.
I wasn't aiming for that, but you know. Hello, YouTube, and welcome to
the review.
The review
of the. Let's see the bike.
Of the Honda Pan European.
There you go. That was shit, by the way. Just thought I'd tell you.
Well, it helps if I know what I'm supposed to be saying.
I wish this bloody GoPro would work as well as the bike. On. Honestly, what a faff and palaver. I'm pretty sure it's ever since I got that mic adapter. Blaming the software, not the operator. But yeah, this is what you want, man. Sense of freedom. Superfruit, 1 of your 5 a day. One of the things I absolutely love getting away from the smaller bike is having somewhere to put stuff. You don't know how much I've missed putting stuff in places. $36 in the front, 42 in the back. That's what Mr. Haynes says. Anyway. What's your impressions of this bike so far?
Goes like a rocket.
It does go like a rocket.
Nice comfy ride. Keeps you warm.
Well, that's a review done then. That'll satisfy everybody's need. Goes like a rocket, keeps you warm. Job done, buy it.
And shit ton of space in the van.
There is a shit ton of space now. They'll have to demonetize that now. You've said shit.
You'll have to bleep it out.
I'll have to bleep it out. Shit ton of space. Thank you very much. Although I'm not in it for the speed, I'm not really into biking for to see how fast I can go. That being said, I can tell you now it has some speed on it. And I think I've already mentioned that the uptake's quite gradual, which I quite like from a safety aspect, but it still can go a heck of a speed. And I bet you it can go a heck of a speed with a lot of luggage, should that be your thing. I'm not overly impressed with the brake. Look at that, man, and that's stunning. The sun makes all the difference, doesn't it? Right, what was I saying? Yeah, I'm not overly impressed with the brakes so far. I'm fine with them, don't get us wrong, I don't feel threatened. But I don't want to comment too much. And the reason for that is this bike has been stood quite a while. It has only got 32,000 miles on the clock. And it's 2002. It's barely run in, and I think it's been stood a while. So the brakes I didn't want to comment about because I haven't really checked over the fronts yet. So I'm going to hold judgment with that. I should have reversed in, you see, before a car comes along, blocks us in. I want to be doing that. And that's always the issue with a bike like this. That's where you've got to be careful of the weight. Fuel efficiency, I think you get about 300 miles on a tank. Personally, I've just jumped from a smaller bike, which was really good on fuel. So my judgment is it's obviously a hell of a lot more fuel efficient than a car. It'll take you somewhere for a lot less, but I don't find it terribly fuel efficient. This one's got carburetors. Maybe the more modern ones are fuel injected. Do a bit more, a few more miles to the gallon. I don't know what gear I'm in, but these bends here were something that I thought, ooh, with a big bike, I wonder how it handles these little hairpins around here. Do you know what it is? I'm handling this. Obviously not brilliant because I'm just first day on the bike or something. But no problem at all. Like, that was just as easy as something 125. Secretly warming my fingers up. Always looking for biscuits. Right, I pulled in here because I've kind of missed a junction that I want to go down. But just to emphasise, this is kind of, for me, where the weight becomes a bit of an issue compared with the other bikes, is you have to really I mean, I'm going downhill there, it's not too bad. Oh, take it slow. So it's just doing these turns. It's just doing these turns, and the way it makes it a bit more awkward. But that's it. You know, that is pretty much it. It's not when you're out and about. You get used to that. It's like it feels nimble. It's more them kind of stoppy and moments that you have to double back or turn around on. And that's when the weight becomes a bit of an issue. Not when you're out and about, you don't really feel it that much. And you know, just be mindful of your parking, because if you park on a slope, it's going to be very... You might need about 5 people to help you push it back up that hill to get out, but you know, just reverse it in. Stuff like that. Just be mindful of your parking. But that's... It's not a major thing.
Yes, it's me back again. Always happy to go out.
Look at this, man. Feet out, either side of the bike. And that gives you a lot of comfort and support. Especially, you know, when you're tired. You've been riding all day and you're quite tired. And you don't want to be trying to balance anything on your tiptoes when you come to lights. So this, I love the lower riding position so I can plant my feet and keep a hold of that weight. What else are you going to look at? I don't know if I've mentioned the dashboard. I think I have 50 times where the microphone's gone off. Headlight adjustment. If you've got a heavy load, big girlfriend, that's the button you need. Never really use it, to be fair. Quite selfish when it comes to my bikes. Trip reset button. The dials across the back, the indicators, that kind of thing. If you can see them there, I might have to duck down. Nope. Absolutely brilliant. Love the lights on the dash. Your petrol light, you've got a stand warning light, you're in neutral kind of light, you've got the oil pressure warning light, main beam, and they all light up really well. So if you've got something on like your indicator and you forget about it, well, you don't forget about it for too long because you can see it flashing away. Other bikes I've had, you can drive for miles with your indicator on and not realise because it's not that obvious. Right, you can, since it's been about 2 miles since the roundabout, you could cancel that indicator if you wanted to. Are you stop now? Fuel gauge, temperature gauge, rev and speedo, all that kind of stuff. More like a car. More like a car dashboard. It's brilliant. I love this dashboard. Absolutely love it. And a nice 80s retro looking clock over there. Early 90s maybe. Fairing. Love the fairing. Love the fairing. I mean, I can duke down a little bit if I want a little bit more shielding. But compared with anything else I've had on the road, love it. It just eliminates a lot of the elements from hitting you. Wing mirrors, best wing mirrors I've ever witnessed on a motorbike. I'm shielded. The tank I'm hugging the tank. The petrol, it's not really a petrol tank. I don't know what's under there, but it's probably the air takes or something. But I think the fuel is lower down, which gives it that really good centre point of gravity. Is that woman got a dog in a coat while it's trying to cycle? Yes. Yep. I wonder if she knows. It's always gonna start. Always gonna start. Oh, you're not starting. Do you need petrol? What's happening? You just haven't got a reliable bike, have you? Unlike this beautiful Honda Pan European. Yeah. Oh no, it stands up right now. Now I can see I was born ready. Yeah. I mean, if there's a car coming the other way, we're pretty snookered. But look at that, man. You what? Is that right? The rapeseed makes the best honey? In your opinion, yeah. Are you gonna start a whole honey war argument? Yeah, but I wouldn't have attempted that back then. Oh, we need a GS for this, man. This is so cool. Yeah, I love it a bit, don't get it wrong. But don't pass through the houses. Just do it, man. Where are you? I think we better run away. Oh. A private road. Yeah, it's alright for you. This is where this thing kind of fails on its arse. Where are you? Oh, there we go. Sorry, I think we're lost. I thought it was a main road. I didn't think it was a... Sorry. Oh, bless. Hello, little dog. Yeah, we better run. There's a vicious woman coming after us.
Bye guys, thank you for watching. Bye. Hit that, make sure to smash that like button and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell.